Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay from AS Learning, and today in this video we'll be testing dall-e-mini model. So there are many videos on YouTube explaining what dall-e-mini is and how it works and what its functionality are, but this video is somewhat different from others in the sense that we'll be testing the dall-e-mini model very rigorously. So first I'll explain in brief what that model does, and then we'll straight away jump to the demo of the model. So in short, it generates images from text. You give it a text and it will be generating images out of text. So let's say you gave it an image, so you gave it a text lotus in lake, okay, and your model will be returning you with these images. So isn't it cool? Yeah, before going ahead, let's just talk a bit about what dall-e-mini is, and then we'll straight away move to testing the model. Okay, so it's an AI model that generates images from any prompt you give. Okay, it is right now here maintained by Hugging Face. It was created by Boris Daima and a whole lot other people. And if you want to know who people contributed it and how it actually works, you can click on the project report. It will redirect you to the link of weights and biases, and here we can see all the contributors, the major contributors I'll say, and the entire thing at how it works, how it was built, what's the architecture, everything related to model. Okay, then it also has its own GitHub repo where you can see other things also. If you want to download the file, if you want to download the model and play with it, this is the place you need to be. Okay, nothing more. These are the linked models to this page, and yeah, now we'll get to the testing the model. Okay, so the first prompt was very simple. It actually takes sometimes 2 to 3 minutes to generate the results. So I have already generated the results for you. Okay, all you have to do is just enter the text here and it will be generating the images. So lotus in the lake was a very simple first example by me, and I think the model did very well in it. Some of the results are so good. If you can see this one, this one, it appears so real. Okay, moving on to the next segment, we'll take a full sentence now. Okay, the first one was just very simple, lotus in lake, not a proper sentence. Now we'll take a proper sentence. A boy is reading a book. Okay, it did very good actually. You can see the books, you can see the boy. The only thing it didn't did well was the features of the boy, the facial features of the boy. Apart from that, anyone can clearly say that yes, the sentence "a boy is reading a book" is justified by these images. Okay, now next what we will take is, your boy is reading a book was common noun, very easy to generalize. We'll take a proper noun. Okay, Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Okay, now let's see how it comes up, and these were the results. It didn't actually focus on the Agra part, but it took Taj Mahal into consideration, and yes, you can see Taj Mahal being created by the model. Not very accurate, but not very bad also. Okay, yeah, so these not bad, I'll say, very good in fact. I feel. Now let's test it with some random text. Okay, and here it has given out some men actually. I feel that it could have done better here. This doesn't appear garbage to me. It appears like a very fixed set of results is being given by the model. I think that it could have been more garbage here. We'll generate it more, and it takes time to generate. Okay, again it has generated. Okay, now we are also having girls here. Okay, so yeah, not bad, but it could have done better because it is garbage. So I had the expectation that boys and girls shouldn't be focused. It should be very garbage images, but not bad. Now let's take a proverb here. Now this is not a sentence, but I've taken a proverb here. Time is money, and we can see that the clock is being created. You can also see money behind the clock. Even here also you can see that there's a clock and you have dollar kind of a feeling here, the green color of the dollar. Even here also you have the money, and I think so this circle is not clock, but maybe it was a try bit. Okay, even here also you have a time and you have coins below it. So really well it interpreted proverbs also, and it gave very good results. Now next we'll go to is what it did was I picked the famous painting the Starry Nights. Okay, and these were what the results is. This is not bad actually, but what I was expecting was the painting of Starry Nights. So if you see here, this is what Starry Nights is, and this is what I passed to the model, and I was expecting something related to this, but it gave me this, but not bad. It is not doing wrong here. Let's see, does it comes up with the Starry Night which I am imagining? No, it takes in, oh wait, if you see this result here, this one, that one came from the image. So it shows that there is the input of that painting also. We'll try to generate it once again. This was not expected and it is really good. Okay, but yeah, it was picked. Now the next one I took was Mona Lisa, and bang on, it generated a Mona Lisa. It really needs some refinement on the facial features of humans, because in every image we saw that the facial features are not being generated proper. But apart from the facial feature, I feel it is doing an incredible job of generating images so bang on. Then lastly I took Shah Rukh Khan, a very popular actor, and see whether it is being generated. And yes, you can see from the photos that yes, this is the images of Shah Rukh Khan only. This one, this one, this one. Apart from the facial features, it is doing really good. Okay, then I took a name of the country, India, and it gave me temples. So I was a bit disappointed here. I'm giving you India as an input, and why are you giving me temples? So I gave it temples again as an input, and these are the results for temples, but I was expecting more on India here. I was expecting maybe Indian flag or Indian tricolor. Temples are not the representation of India. Let's say what it gives for USA. Does it gives any churches there in USA? Oh, okay. Yeah, so here you can see that you have got the map of USA. This is what I was expecting for India also, but it gave me temples. Okay, so we have tried countries, we have tried pronouns, we have tried paintings, we have tried proper noun, common noun. Anything else is coming in your mind? Let's just say let's try one more. Let's take my name only. Any person she doesn't knows. Okay, well, this is me as per dall-e-mini. Maybe I need to upload my more photos on Google and open source it, so dall-e-mini will pick me right. Well, this was from me for testing dall-e-mini. We tested it, I think, very rigorously. We took all the possible combinations for text, and these were the results. I feel that facial expression is one area where the model really needs improvement, and apart from that, in cases like India, it could have shown Indian map or Indian flag, but it was giving me temples. So yes, work needs to be done, but the results of the models are really very incredible in many cases, like Lotus in the Lake, or let's say even boy reading a book. They are so bang on. They are not very much far away from what the expectation is, and these guys have done an amazingly great job. So yeah, that's it with this, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay tuned to AS for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care, peace out.